What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mystery Lane back with another video on processing. This is a really short video on how to change the color scheme in processing. A lot of super elite hackers like to have different color schemes so that when you're coding late at night, the white screen doesn't cause a lot of eye strain. So this is how you change the colors to get that dark computer programmer slash hacker color theme to your coding IDE. So what you're going to want to do first is make a backup of this file. Well, actually, no. I take that back. What you want to do first is find this folder in your processing folder. So I installed processing by just unzipping the processing folder to my desktop, and I like to just kind of leave it there. So all I have to do is just kind of open up this processing folder on my desktop, and I get this window right here. From here, you're going to want to go into the library folder. It says lib. And then you're going to want to find this file called theme.txt, theme.txt. Okay, that's the file we want to edit, but first we want to make a copy of the original. So we're going to right click and we're going to go to copy, and then somewhere in that folder we're just going to right click and then we're going to paste, and that's going to make a backup copy of the original theme.txt in case we do something horribly wrong and we need to revert back to the previous settings. So there's a user on GitHub named Jeff Thompson who has come up with his own color scheme for processing, and he has graciously shared it with the world on here. So I'll put the link to this below, but basically all you have to do is start here on line number 1 and just kind of highlight everything all the way down to line 213, and then we're going to copy that. Then we go back to our processing folder. We're going to edit this theme.txt file, and all we have to do is push Control A to highlight everything, and then Control V, and there we go. We have this new dark theme, and apparently the guy went through and made better comments to help you better understand what all these different colors are. Now, we've talked about RGB colors in class. This is using a hex coding scheme, which is really still 3 numbers, 2 numbers for how much red, 2 numbers for how much green, 2 numbers for how much blue, but it's in a numeral system called hexadecimal. So believe it or not, FF is actually a number, and so is capital F, and so is CC. Those are actually all numbers in the hexadecimal system. So if you want to learn more about that, you can look up hexadecimals, or you can just kind of leave everything as is and just don't worry about too much detail there. So all we got to do now is just save that, and now when we start up our processing program, we will have this dark theme with a dark background and light color text, so that when I start typing, it's a little bit easier on the eyes, especially late at night. So there you go. That's kind of the start of our post-it clock program there. So again, I'll post the link to this GitHub page in below the video, the information for the video. And if that's something you want to do, you're going to have to be able to find that theme.txt file, make a backup copy, edit it, and then save the new one. All right, see you later.